Welcome to Wander, Explore, Discover.
Today we're going to explore Roma in Queensland. Roma is a large rural town located amongst the rolling plains of the Maranoa region in Queensland. Located 478 kilometres northwest of Brisbane, Roma offers a unique blend of history, natural beauty and warm country hospitality.
Roma has a cosmopolitan feel with boutique and specialty retailers, espresso bars and cafes, restaurants and traditional hotels. If you want more places to wander, explore and discover, subscribe to our channel for new videos every week.
We start the day with a coffee from Bakearoma, explore the Big Rig and wander along the Adungadoo Trail to see the biggest bottle tree. We then visit the Roma Saleyards to see the interactive centre and wander around the town centre. Bakearoma in McDowell Street has excellent coffee and many delicious bakery choices.
At the Big Rig, you will find Roma's visitor centre, a cafe, a grassy park and picnic areas. You can embark on a self-guided tour of the Big Rig from 8:30 a.m. every day, where you will learn about the trials and tribulations the pioneers endured while trying to strike it rich with Roma oil. You'll see how their pursuit has led to a multi-billion-dollar industry today. Take the interactive lift or climb the stairs up the magnificent 40-metre tower and wander along the treetop walk through the ancient Red River gums.
If you wander around the grounds of the Big Rig, you can see the historic Lenroy slab hut, built in 1893 using rough-hewn cypress pine. The Adungadoo walk starts at the back of the Big Rig and is a picturesque trail that winds along the peaceful banks of Bungle Creek, past Chinatown, the meeting place and onto Shady's Lagoon. You then take a slight detour to see the largest bottle tree. Roma's largest bottle tree is 15 metres high and 9.62 metres in circumference. It is thought to have been around since the 19th century and was transplanted into its current position in 1927.
Roma is home to Australia's largest cattle sale yard, and if you are there on Tuesday, you can watch up to 12,000 head of cattle being auctioned in a single day. Alternatively, you can visit the Roma Saleyards Interactive Centre any day from 8 a.m. till 5 p.m. and see the exciting multimedia displays.
Located in the Roma Cultural Centre is an 18 square metre three-dimensional mural created by John and Maureen Morrison. It comprises 17 local elements which depict the district's history and is enhanced by audio and moving lights.
We wander around the streets of Roma admiring the fascinating hotels and reading the informative display boards. Lastly, we visit the Roma Courthouse, an architectural gem constructed in 1901. It really is a testament to the town's historical past.
Other things to do in Roma are the Big Rig Night Show, the Bush Gardens and the Up the Creek Garage Museum.
We hope you enjoyed today's video. You can find more information and places to explore at wanderexplorediscover.com.